Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Charlie from CR3 Home Services. I'm in another DIY video finna do it yourself to show you guys how to replace a microwave surface light bulb. Here's the bulb right here. And the customer didn't know how to get to the bulb to change it out, so I'm here to show you guys what to do with 3 easy steps on how to do that. Stay tuned. Let's get it, y'all. Hey, what's up, y'all? This is the first step of the process right here. See, the microwave still has power right now at this time. So basically you want to do just unplug your power source to it. Boom, that's the first step. Alright, y'all, the second step is location. To figure out where that light bulb is at, it's always located at the bottom of the microwave. See where that screw is located at? Y'all see the panel, that's where the light bulb is at. And on the third step, I'm gonna show you guys how to change it out and, you know, unscrew it and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for the third step. Let's get it. Alright, what's up, y'all? This is basically the third and last step right here. Basically, this is the screw that's holding the panel to get to the bulb. Some microwaves are made differently. See, I only have one screw that connects to this microwave. This is a Samsung microwave. I'm gonna unscrew this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Alright, it's gonna fall just like that. The microwave bulb is right there. And that's basically how you access the microwave bulb to change out the bulb yourself. I'm gonna get the new bulb and show y'all. Alright, finna put the new bulb in. And basically, once you get this new bulb in, you pretty much can screw back in. Get this panel back in, screw it back in good. Boom, that's it right there. I'm gonna plug it back up, see what we got. There it is. You got dim, you got high, and you got off. So that is how you change a microwave surface light bulb, y'all. I appreciate y'all for staying tuned in my videos on how to do it yourself. And stay tuned for my next video. I appreciate everybody coming in. You know, like, subscribe, comment on my channel, and y'all be blessed. Thank you.